Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to create a backup on the Realme 14 Pro 5G. Okay, so let's begin. Okay, first thing we wanna do is go into the settings, scroll down into the system and update, and in here look for the backup and reset. Simply click on it, and here you can pick between the Google backup and the backup and migrate. I prefer to use both of them, but mostly the Google backup. In here, simply log into your Google account, and here you have the backup details such as apps, photos and videos, call history, device settings, and Google account data. And now simply click this blue button, Backup Now. In here you will have a bar which will be going from the left to the right, and when it reaches the right edge, it means the backup has been successfully done. I won't do this because, as you can see, I did my backup 4 minutes ago. Okay. You can also go to Backup and Migrate and create a new local backup. But be careful, because when you create a local backup and you hard reset your phone, all of the data will be lost. So I prefer, you can click on New Backup first, select the data over here and then click Start. As you can see, the backup is in the process. Okay, it has finished. So now what we want to do is to get those data into some memory card, or for example into PC. I'm gonna plug this memory card into my phone, and I'll show you how to get photos, videos and other apps into this device. So simply plug it in. As you can see, we got now the files, and here is our device. As you can see, there is not much space left, but I'll show you how to switch the files from the memory of this phone into this device. So get into the device storage, those three dots over here, click on Edit, and here you simply select the things that you want to move. And once you have selected this, simply click on this button on the Move and select the device. Okay. So, thank you all for watching. This is how you create a backup on the Realme 14 Pro. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.